Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my screen, this is a fantastic and very common and very simple typography design. This is the A. So how to customize this typography or letter design A? So this is very simple and it takes time, just a little bit. Don't worry. So let's begin today. So first of all, I needed to little bit small. Yeah, as you can see. Yes, little bit small and keep this corner side. So I needed to keep this one to the corner side and go to the typing tool. As you can see to my screen, this is typing tool. You can this shortcut use by the typing. Just press the T, it will be automatic. So I just to show you clear, so that's why I'm not using the short key. So first of all, I go to the type tool and I click here, and you see come to the lorem ipsum. This is default settings in the Illustrator tutorial. So I'm gonna here just to type right now the A typing, and as you can see to my which font using. This is Myriad Pro. This is regular, just do not the bold or the black or others things. This I'm a very simple. This is simple. So first of all, I need to know just go to the object and go to the expand. Okay, it will be more better. So I need clear these things, otherwise I cannot do perfectly. So a little bit bigger here, a little bit. Yes, you see to me. Okay, right now the final thing is that you should go to the pen tool. You know, you need much practice for the pen tool. So I click the pen tool and go here first of all, and just click here, and I think it will be more better. So I think here keep and go here and put put over here. Sorry, it's not good. So I need to go here and two. So right here I want here just yes, and click here. Oh my god, it's happening is there. I sorry for that, friends. So like that, I just keep here, yes, and go here and close it. So as you can see to my computer, this is the almost done, but I needed to change the color for the clear the object to go to. You see, this is not matching with this. So I go to the direct selection and go here, and I think a little bit here, put the right plus. I think this is not the right plus. Yes, I think it's okay. So a little bit here. I think a little bit is too much. The upper side, I think will be better. So it's take time. So in here, okay, so taking time. Okay, that's fine. You see, as you can see to my computer screen. But the problem is that, okay, that's fine. See, it will be more better. So another thing is that I need to go to the like there. This customize is remaining. So go to the again, go to the pen tool and click over here and just I select here and a little bit just this angle and direct go to the here this corner side and I think little bit here like that. Yes, I think that's fine. Exactly what I decided. Okay, it's fine. I close over here, but I need the which is the indication or indicator, and exactly you needed to select this right plus. Otherwise, you cannot do the right way. So I think it'll be like that. It will take much more time about nothing blue. So I think right there, what is happening is the indicator is not working. Uh, Sorry for that. Yes, now it's okay. So direct here, and I think yes, this okay. Again here, for here, yes, this is indication. Right here, yeah, I think this fine. And another thing is that I needed to clear which is matching about this one. So otherwise it can make a problem. So go here, just a little bit here. Yes, I think exactly that what I wanted. So I think go to the change the color. Otherwise, you cannot see the object. If you can find the object, you cannot do exactly right plus. So I gonna to the here for the pen tool again and this thing I need to go again to the pen tool and click over here and just direct come here with the I think yeah I think this is right plus. So it takes a little time here guys. Yes, otherwise it cannot do properly. So yeah, it takes time, takes time, it takes time. Okay. Let's take time. This is not practice more. Otherwise it cannot do anything here. Okay. Yes. See. I think okay. So it's taking time. Much more thing. Okay, that's fine. I think it will take much more time. So need to clear about it. Okay. So now I just select this thing and go by pressing Shift key and go to the Pathfinder. This is exactly what I wanted. Just I needed to change the color. It will be more better right now. Just take this. I needed just to change the color. Go to the color. Okay. Go here. Okay. And another thing is that I go to the here and go to the like there. You see exactly changed in color, and go here over here and go to the here. You see how this is what I wanted to do. This one, you see exactly, no difference between this one. So I need now just to delete one, but I need to keep this one, which is better. So this is what I wanted. This is for the code lovers and design lovers. Thanks for watching.